India's recovery rate increases to 61.53%. Over 260,000 samples have been tested in the last 24 hours. Specialists from AIIMS to provide guidance via teleconsultations. That and more in our COVID Wrap.
To strengthen the central government's efforts in reducing COVID-19 mortality, AIIMS Delhi has introduced teleconsultation guidance to state doctors on COVID clinical management. The teleconsultation sessions will be held twice every week on Tuesdays and Fridays, while 10 hospitals with more than 1,000 beds will participate in the first session. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa held an emergency meeting with Deputy CM and other top officials over COVID-19 situation in the state, where he reviewed the status of COVID-19 in the state and also took the assessment of COVID care centers set up by the government to facilitate and treat coronavirus patients. Further measures to control the rising coronavirus cases were also discussed in the high-level meeting. Bihar's capital Patna will remain under total lockdown from July 10th till 16th July. The district administration of Patna has announced the decision as the state witnesses a steady increase in the number of coronavirus cases on a daily basis. However, the essential services will continue during the lockdown and religious places will remain closed in the city. The Puducherry Raj Niwas will remain closed for 48 hours for the sanitization work in the premises as one of the staff members tested positive for COVID-19. The contact tracing is being carried out as per the standard operating procedure. Delhi University has informed the High Court that it has decided to postpone the open book examinations scheduled from July 10th for final year undergraduate courses to next month. The Delhi University submitted before Justice Pratibha M. Singh that it will now hold the exams after August 15th in view of the persisting COVID-19 pandemic situation. Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren has quarantined himself at his Ranchi residence after drinking, and Sanitation Minister Mithilesh Thakur tested positive for COVID-19. Soren had met Mithilesh Thakur recently. Soren has wished a speedy recovery of Thakur and another Jharkhand Mukti Morcha MLA, Mathura Mahato, who tested positive for the disease on Tuesday. Hotels in Maharashtra opened up for guests after a gap of more than 3 months. The state government allowed hotels and other entities providing accommodation services outside containment zones to commence operations with 33% occupancy from Wednesday. Cricket icon Sachin Tendulkar inaugurated a plasma therapy unit for treating COVID-19 patients at the Seven Hills Hospital in suburban Andheri. He urged those who have recovered from the deadly infection to help save lives by donating blood plasma.